Yeah. Oh, yeah. Jeez. But if I told you, could you handle it? And if I told you, could you manage it? Your body boosting my adrenaline. Captivated by your sound again, you're done. Any hate or disrespect, we said we won. In the city, no, we represent, we run. And if we talking dollar cents, we make a ton. And even when it's getting dark, we never run. Things change, people change too. Been searching long to find you. Other man will love for change you. Cause you're plenty smart and fine too. Said if I told you, could you handle it? Waiting for you back, I just with the candle lit. Just a little nightcap and we could hang a bit. Maybe we could hit the town as if you'd rather it. I say, got me losing control the way your body bounce. Girl, you needing a patrol when you move around. But let me show you what this loving is all about. You wanna kick it with that done, I'ma show you how. Said if I told you, could you handle it? And if I told you, could you manage it? Your body boosting my adrenaline. Captivated by your sound again, you're done. Any hate or disrespect, we set to bun. In the city now we represent, we run. And if we talking dollar cents, we make a ton. And even when it's getting dark, we never run. Girl, come on, make us spend a little time with the bus. Some girl I like it soft, but we handle it rough. She's saying she been waiting all night. Now we in it all night, make it hard. Now girl only pass space in my mind, she feel up. I me love the way she whines, so me sip from my cup. Now go slow up on my grind if I keep it up. Better water for the girl, cause she bound to Europe. We stay blasting, oh yeah. She got me calling out here. Keep concentrating, my dear. I hope you're listening clear. Said if I told you, could you handle it? And if I told you, could you manage it? Your body boosting my adrenaline. I'm captivated by your sound again, you're done. Any hate or disrespect, we set to bun. And in the city now we represent, we run. And if we talking dollar cents, we make a ton. And even when it's getting dark, we never run. We never run, we never run. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Man like Giday, yeah. Man like Sunny on the sax. Jeez. Yeah, Goethe-Institut, big up yourself each and every time. I go by the name of Giday, Giday, every streaming platform. Jeez.
Yeah, Addis Abeba, Ethiopia. Static Lever in the center. Goethe-Institut, big up forever. Ever, what you say? You know? We love music. We love positive vibes. So yeah, enjoy yourselves, yeah? Me feel irate like Marlene party. Jump on a kick like I'm doing karate. I do my thing and me do what me want fi. Watch them a scatter when me do the tsunami, tsunami. What we say? Do the tsunami, tsunami. Let me show you how it goes. Speaker thump and DJ no play. Gala wine and move up them ways. Tuna bounce make you feel okay. Static Levi giving you a taste. Speaker thump and DJ no play. Gala wine and move up them ways. Tuna bounce make you feel okay. EvaRed you him dep on the case. Searching, what we say? I've been searching for this feeling. Hey, fire burning, burning. Things getting hotter than a heat wave. Yeah. When hypocrites try press my button, and I go and criticize my something, make them talk and know nothing. This a mic shock yam them like mutton. When hypocrites try press my button, and I go and criticize my something, make them talk and know nothing. This a mic shock yam them like mutton. Speaker thump and DJ no play. EvaRed him a mash up the place. Tuna bounce make you feel okay. Static Levi giving you a taste. Speaker thump and DJ no play. Girl up and move up them ways. Tuna bounce make you feel okay. What we say ever? I've been searching I've been searching for this feeling. Yes, Goethe, what we say? Fire burning, burning. Things getting hotter than a heat wave. Once again, me feel irie like Marlena party. Jump on a kick like I'm doing karate. I do my thing and me do what me want fi. Watch them and scatter when me do the tsunami. Tsunami. What we say? What we say? Do the tsunami. Yes, P.A.R.C, big up yourself. Tsunami we say. Yes, we give thanks and praise in Addis Abeba, Ethiopia. Sounds of Addis. You're listening to the freshest, you know. Straight live in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. EvaRed, big up yourself. Style them never dead. Searching, I've been searching, you know. What we say? I've been searching for this feeling. Fire burning, burning. Things getting hotter than a heat wave. Come on, sing it with me, what we say? I've been searching for this feeling. Jah give thanks, what we say? Fire burning, burning. Things getting hotter than a heat wave. Yo, they call me Doggy, big up yourself. Tsunami, do the tsunami, do the tsunami, tsunami. What we say? At the dance, me call it, do the tsunami. Hey, 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 do the tsunami, do the tsunami. Yes, on to the next. Bright future is ahead of all of us if we look at life in the correct manner. And be positive, man, come on. The future generations, they're looking up to us. So we have a job to do. What we say? One thing, them a penny pan the low low. We pan a medi and we there in our own zone. Them try already couldn't penetrate this ozone. True justice military. Fighting for the right thing, we're fighting for a cause. Fighting for the truth and it's not just because we store our riches in heaven. Cause from the seeds that we sow we shall reap our reward. Bright future ahead of we. I know Jah one step ahead of we. Still I'm smiling at my enemies. And I've never been a colony. Ethiopia, bright future ahead of we. Yeah, I know Jah one step ahead of we. Jah just fighting all my enemies. And I've never been a colony. Shining like my melanin, I'm pumped up with adrenaline. Some told me I could never win. No, I've got them listening, hearing what I'm visioning. Jah gives me all the recipes, I am just delivering. I give thanks for this energy. Now go see me give up my principle for promo. Deny the most high, that would be a no-no. Try keeping close by, prayers on the solo. Gather together when we can full up the whole house. Children running round the yard like tornadoes. Food coming fresh from the soil as it came out. Fruit salad colorful like a rainbow. True justice military. Bright future ahead away, yeah. I know Jah one step ahead away, yeah. Still I'm smiling at my enemies every day. And I've never been a colony. Bright future ahead away. I know Jah one step ahead away. Jah just smiting all my enemies. And I've never been a colony. Yes, EvaRed. We don't tell them already, style them never dead. Yeah, style them never dead. Give thanks and praises every day. Yes, so we got a lot of beautiful musicians. And this one here is very close to me. P.A.R.C, come in, come in. When she sings, she make my heart melt, you know. Yeah.
Music is feeling, yeah?
Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Just relax and hit the trees. Yeah. Take control, don't beg them, please. No, life ain't always what it seems. Good and bad exist in dreams. Yeah. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna. I see the pain in your eyes, no disguising. I see the sorrow and anger arising. Live for today, cause tomorrow is inviting. From the darkness, the light will be shining. I see the pain in your eyes, no disguising. I see the sorrow and anger arising. Live for today, cause tomorrow is inviting. From the darkness, the light will be shining. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Just relax and hit the tree. Yeah. Take control, don't beg them, please. No. Life ain't always what it seems. No. Good and bad exist in dreams. Yeah. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my, how it makes me wanna cry. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my. Can see the pain in your eyes, oh my.
Big ups EvaRed, big ups Goethe-Institut. This is Sound Fest.
Yeah. Here we go. Shout out EvaRed, shout out Goethe-Institut. I go by the name Call Me Doggy. So let's do this, Eva. Yeah. They call me Dog. Skr. Yeah. Met an Ethiopian named Ermela. Lips so sweet like a strawberry. Skin tone like a chocolate with the taste of vanilla. She got a goodie like a blueberry. Oh yeah, mommy, you my tuto. gelato, 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 gusto comando. I gon' make you be my mamacita. Antinaito, kalata gano. Yitatelo kalani beste kersti mano. Halata, halata, halata. Halata القمر. حلاوة حلاوة حلاوة. حالات السمر شي ما تتو 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 تتو. جلاتو تتو 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 تتو. جلاتو تتو 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 تتو. جلاتو تتو 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 تتو. بتلف الكومات لاقي زي جمالة حلوة صبرة فيها رقة وشقاوة. Creamy on the inside بس الشوكولاتة. Yeah she want with the real dandada dada. Goody 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 fella. 911 we have a situation. Goody 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 fella. Somebody better tell her she my Ethiopian queen named Demela. Lips so sweet like a strawberry. Skin tone like a chocolate with a taste of vanilla. She got a booty like a blueberry, like a blueberry. Oh yeah, mommy, you're my tuto, 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 tuto. Gelato, tuto, 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 tuto. Gelato, tuto, 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 tuto. Gelato, tuto, 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 tuto. Yeah, I go by the name, call me Daggy. Skoo, skoo. Yeah. The next track is featuring my best friend, yo, P.A.R.C. Give it up for P.A.R.C. one time. This next track is produced by my bedroom EvaRed. Yeah, man. It's called 10. So let's do this. Yeah, yeah. They call me Doggy. Do you remember the days you were lonely? You used to call me and tell me, bitch, I'm not solo. Anytime you want me, you would always find me. Shawty, minnows and noodle. Right there beside me, yeah. Thought you was my wifey, yeah. But apparently, so did the other 10, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. Me not care if you love me. I mean, not care if you need me. Take time for me to realize and notice your lies, yeah. Me not care if you're okay, nah. I don't need you, not baby. I never knew that you were the one dancing in the moonlight. Don't you worry about my feeling, cause you never care about me, yeah. Too late to make up, cause I'm beginning to fall out of love. I don't need you no more. I don't need your love no more, baby. I don't need you no more. I don't need your love no more. No, 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 no more. No, 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 no more. No, 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 no more. No, 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 no more.
I remember the first time we met. I remember how it all felt. You say, baby, just take my hand. Couldn't take you off my mind. And I remember all the plans we made. Who would have thought it would end? But you was playing too much games. Me plus you start making sense. Take my heart, I will give it with these. Take my hand, walk this journey with me. Take the game, take it away from me. Take the pain, make it vanish from me. Take the smile, make it straight so wide. Take the arms, hold me oh so tight. Take the feelings, make it feel so real. Show me how it feels. 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 I don't need your love no more. I don't need your love no more. I don't need your love.
go by the name Call Me Daggy. Shout out to my bedroom EvaRed one time. Yeah, shout out to P.A.R.C, Static, Giday, man like Giday. Yeah, shout out to Goethe-Institut as well, RGB Pictures. Shout out to Barcode. Yeah man. So the next artist right now, Giday. Yeah.
Yeah. Easy. Okay. Shout out RGB Pictures, Barcode in the building. EvaRed there. Easy. Bim. Yeah. Shoot out like a wild west. And baby, it's for you, I confess. I said I must need a bullet piss. Cause you hit me all up in my chest, gaga. Girl, you they make me go gaga. Girl, you they crazy, you they go maga. Girl, you they mama, call me dada. Wanna see you get down, go low, daga. Daga, hey, daga, hey. Well, I willy well now, well. Nothing fi go see or tell. My people eating well now, well. I know that you can see now, well. Ease, drop to your knees. Put me in a spell, my eyes can't tell. Now, ease, you're blessed indeed. Like a barrel where you aim so well. Go, shoot out like a wild west. And baby, it's for you, I confess. I said I must need a bullet vest. Cause you hit me all up in my chest, gaga. Girl, you they make me go gaga. Girl, you they crazy, you they go maga. Girl, you they mama, call me dada. Wanna see you get down, go low, daga. Daga, hey, daga, hey. Bim. Nice and easy. Giday, hey. Okay. Listen. Bim. The thing they burn up fire red, oh. If you cross her, she come for your red, oh. She know that her thing be the best, so she carry a red and no circle feelings, oh. My baby's on fire. Anytime she come around, the man them desire. Stick to her hustle and she never retire. Only type of girl where the king can admire. So me say, hey, yeah, EvaRed. Bim. I say, shoot out like a wild west. And baby, it's for you, I confess. I said I must need a bullet vest. Cause you hit me all up in my chest, gaga. Girl, you they make me go gaga. Girl, you they crazy, you they go maga. Girl, you they mama, call me dada. Wanna see you get down, go low, daga. Daga, hey, daga, hey. Okay, I'ma say yeah. Giday, easy. Yes. So these are some singles off my upcoming project, Afrobeat project called Gold. So we're gonna have a little fun with this one. Easy. This next one is called Vibe Check. Yeah. Na. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I said you know who it is, yeah. Hey. I miss a man like Giday, yeah. Oh yeah. Step in the party, we're taking it over. Don't stop the party, won't stop till it's over. If you're looking fly, then go brush off your shoulder. Tell Mr. DJ to play so get your back up off the wall and move. It's a party up here, brought your dancing shoes. Shawty looking bad, I know she act real rude. Come on over, baby, let me change your mood. Somebody tell her it's a vibe check, it's a vibe check. Everybody in the party say it's a vibe check. If you're ready if you get naughty, then it's a vibe check. If you're ready if you get down, then it's a vibe check, yeah. It's a mad flex, it's a mad flex. Got a vibe so silly, get to eat a mad flex. When I'm stepping out, shawty, I'ma spend a mad check. When I'm stepping out, girl, you know I'm on a mad flex, yeah. We got the place in a vibe. Move up your body, don't fight it. All of my people, they vibe. Catch on the wave, then you ride it. Make sure a queen on your side. Show why you feeling the vibe. Tell her that you like it when she shake it down low. Raise your back up off the wall and tell her make it wine slow. Been loving the way you control it. You got the hips, make me rock when you roll it. Body's alright, just the way that you mold it.
Wanna see you move like I never seen.
Tell her it's a vibe check, it's a vibe check. Everybody in the party say it's a vibe check. If you're ready, if you get naughty, then it's a vibe check. If you're ready, if you get down, then it's a vibe check, yeah. It's a mad flex, it's a mad flex. Got a vibe so silly, get a hit a mad big. When I'm stepping out, shawty, I'ma spend a mad check. When I'm stepping out, girl, you know I'm When I'm saying it's a party, then we party till you drop. Me no go down with nobody when the party start to rock. All my guys, they in the place. I know no one can hold we back. It's about to be fire. Bad man go light up your lighter. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Goethe-Institut, how you feeling? Wanted. Easy. Oh, yeah. Say we got the place in a vibe. Move up your body, don't fight it. All of my people, they vibe. Catch on the way, then you ride it. Make sure a queen on your side. Show how you feeling the vibe.
Tell her that you like it when she shake it down low. Place your back up on the wall and tell her make it wine slow.
It's a vibe check, it's a vibe check. Everybody in the party say it's a vibe check. If you're ready to get naughty, then it's a vibe. If you're ready to get down, then it's a vibe check. Yeah, it's a mad flex, it's a mad flex. Got a vibe so silly, get a hit on my back. When I'm stepping out, shawty, I'ma spend a match. When I'm stepping out, girl, you know I'm on a. When I'm saying it's a party, then you party till you drop. Me no go down with nobody when the party start to rock. All my guys, they in the place. I know no one can hold we. It's about to be fire. Bad man go light up your lighter. Yeah, man like Giday, easy. EvaRed in the building. Jeez.
Yeah. Once again, Static Lever in the center. Bigging up my virgin Giday. You know, me love your music every time, yeah? Call me Doggy, you see me jamming, yeah? Perry, big up yourself. EvaRed, give thanks. Health and strength. Run the rhythm, Jet. This one is EvaRed Productions, right here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Mideya and Yudeya. 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 Yowza. Eva, pull it one time. So I want to explain for some people who don't know Patois. Mideya and Yudeya means I am here and you are here. So I give thanks that we are all here today in the Goethe-Institut. Live and direct. Yeah, man. Got you. What we said? Mideya and Yudeya. Mideya and Yudeya. Mideya and Yudeya. Mideya and Yudeya. Love flowing like an avalanche. If you want it, show me that you want it. Love flowing like an avalanche. If you want it, show me that you want it. Jah Rastafari. Mideya, Ethiopia, I cannot complain. Got to get your hustle and you got to stand straight. Remember great things come to those who wait. Remember great things come to those who wait. Dish it out, better clear your plate. Dish it out, you better clear your plate. Have to get your hustle and you got to stand straight. Have to focus and you got to have faith. Mideya and Yudeya. Mideya and Yudeya. Mideya and Yudeya. What we say? Mideya and Yudeya. Ethiopia, me done repatriate. Now I travel overseas just to see family. Mideya and Yudeya. Even if you screw face, that you got to give Jaja gratitude every day. Mideya and Yudeya. Any malo want a malo. Mideya and Yudeya. Any malo want she malish. Blessed God, Jaja is all around him. Blessed from where they on this here mountain. Blessed God, Jaja is all around him. Blessed from them drink from this here fountain. Ethiopia, we don't repatriate. Now I travel overseas just to see family. Mideya and Yudeya. Even if you screw face, that you got to give Jaja gratitude every day. Mideya and Yudeya. Yes, Giday him there. Emperor him she there. Call me doggy, him there. We there and you there. Sure. There and you there. Me there and you there. Me there and you there. Blessed God, Jaja is all around him. Place from we dey on this ya mountain. We bless God, Jaja is all around him. Bless God, we dey on this ya mountain. Ethiopia we said the whole time. With the Addis Abeba, Ethiopia. You better know, sir. Deya and you deya. Any malo want a malo. Me deya and you deya. Any malo want you malish. Yes, Jah give thanks. So yeah, one thing in life we need is meditation. We have to take time to go and look deep inside of ourselves to be the best versions of ourselves. So the next tune named Medi. We dey on a Medi looking down at airplanes. Big up Goethe-Institut each and every day. Hey, static. Yeah, man. Big up Mombasa, Kenya. Big up Ozzy, my brother, Benjamin Beats. Looking down at airplanes. With the Panamedi just up on migraines. I've got the medication to ease your pain. With healing benefits list longer than a train. Praises to the creator every day. Everything has a purpose in its own way. My girl says she love how the fragrance stay. Me say critical kush is the name. With the Pana level. With the Pana Medi. Me dey on a level. With the Pana Medi. So strange, how we have so many different strains. How we have so many different colors, different tastes. Be studied by the scholars and it still left them amazed. Anyone deny it, have the mind stuck in a cage. Rage, when them try to block it from the stage. Rage, when them tell you lies, it make you crazy. Praise, I'm sending straight to the Almighty. Cause we dey on a level. Yes, Giday, what we say? We dey on a Medi. It's all about the meditation. We dey on a level. Yes, Jah. Me dey on a Medi. Me dey on a level looking down at airplanes. We dey on a Medi just up on migraines. I've got the medication to ease your pain. With healing benefits list longer than a train. Praises to the creator every day. Everything has a purpose in its own way. My girl says she love how the fragrance stay. Me say critical kush is the name. Me dey on a level. We dey on a Medi. We dey on a level. We dey on a Medi. What was that? Yes, give thanks.
Name's P.A.R.C. Shout out to Goethe-Institut. All my homeboys, shout out. Big tunes, EvaRed. Let's hit the next track. This is EvaRed production. Yeah.
Emotions, would you believe it? Yeah. I admit it, to myself I really owe it. Who am I pretending to be? Oh God, I just wanna be free. I admit it, to myself I really owe it. Who am I pretending to be? Oh God, I just wanna be free. Don't do this, I'm human, I lie. I used to be scared to die. I used to really pray for this. Bitch, with this music, I'm candleless. You cannot handle this, I'll make you pay for it. My heart ain't cheap, oh, I'll make you pray for it. Niggas be sipping or running they mouths. Shit, they be tripping and things going south. Just doing me, low-key. I ain't all out. Would you still believe if I told you that I'm running out of emotions? Would you believe me if I told you that I'm running out of options? Yeah. I admit it, to myself I really owe it. Who am I pretending to be? Oh God, I just wanna be free. I admit it, to myself I really owe it. Who am I pretending to be? Oh God, I just wanna be free. Would you still believe if I told you that I'm running out of emotions? Would you believe me if I told you that I'm running out of options? Yeah. I admit it, to myself I really owe it. Who am I pretending to be? Oh God, I just wanna be free. I admit it, to myself I really owe it. Who am I pretending to be? Oh God, I just wanna be free.
Big shout out to Goethe-Institut. Thank you for very much. This is Sound of Addis. My boy, Call Me Doggy, is gonna take over the stage.
Yeah. Sounds of Addis. Shout out to Goethe-Institut. Shout out to RGB Pictures. Shout out to EvaRed himself, yo. Yeah, man. Shout out to the dope ass artist right there, man. Giday. Static Levi. Yeah, man.
Yo, Doggy, why don't you come up here for the last tune?
Yeah.
Skirt. Whoa.
Let's do this, yo. Yeah. They call me Doggy. Skirt. መስሎን መንገድ ጀምረን ለፍቅር እንግዳ ጣፋጭም ቀምሰን ስትኮላተፊ ሾካሾኪ ለአኻ ዝመስልልን ብዚ ምድሪ ናይ ዘላለም እዩ ናትና ፍቅሪ ብለሽኝ አምኜሽ እኔ አንቺን ብዬ ካንቺ ውዬ ሁሉም ችዬ ተቀብዬ አንቺ ግን የለሽ ቃልሽን አጥፈሽ ሌላ ለምደሽ ተቀይረሽ ከባድ ነው ያንቺ ነገር ከባድ ነው ከባድ ናት ከባድ ዝናም ከባድ ጉራም ሞልቷት እሷ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ለካ የምትመካ በመልኳ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ዝናም ከባድ ጉራም ሞልቷት እሷ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ለካ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ነው ናትኪ ነገር ከቢዱ ናትኪ كيس كبيدو أنس آخلوني نامن تاي شرورو كيدا كيدا بحري تشاكيرا منم غيرك يملسا أي بالكندو قدا في أي بالكندو كالي يحشني أي بناندو بتتعوم جزي بزربا كم زين كيلو أمن يشني أنتين بيه كان جيويه ولم جيه تقرأ بيه أنتي كن يلش قالش ناتفش ليلة لمدش تقيرش ከባድ ናት ከባድ ዝናም ከባድ ጉራም ሞልቷት እሷ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ለካ የምትመካ በመልኳ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ዝናም ከባድ ጉራም ሞልቷት እሷ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ለካ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ዝናም ከባድ ጉራም ሞልቷት እሷ ከባድ ናት ከባድ ለካ ከባድ ናት ከባድ Yeah, next track, yeah. This next tune is called Ballerina, featuring my homie EvaRed and produced by EvaRed as well.
Yeah,
but so what you say?
and what you say, yo? Let's do the last one.
Let's do this.
Man, let's do the last one together, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Sounds of
They call me
Addis.
Daddy. EvaRed say, yeah. Sunny on the sax. First thing in the morning when I wake up, you there by my side, that's how we keep up. We are keep up, wanna take you places you never seen before. I go give you love and like you never felt before, yeah. And baby, you're the one for me. Locked down in my heart like quarantine, oh. Yeah, na 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 na. And baby, you're the one for me. Spend nights with you till the sun come up, and we can do it all over again. Shawty, you my melody like violina. Dancing in my heart like a ballerina. You give me love, oh, and I wanna. Baby, I gon' make you be
Are you
my
ready for Sunny
sweetie,
on the sax?
bana.
Take it, yo!
Yeah.
Hey.
EvaRed, hey, what you say?
Take it, yo! Me, you, otherwise about a day. No, it don't bother me. You got the energy, yeah. You take me far away. Put it on replay, rock your body, yeah. None of them no competing. Girl, you and me bored up, me done tweeting. Oh, other girl no come between. Travel 7 seas, now we done seeking. Oh, coming like a drum beating. Up all night, cause we done sleeping. Oh, you go up and down the thing. Girl, you got it something, give me some treating.
Baby, you're the one for me. Locked down in my heart like quarantine, oh. And baby, you're the one for me. Spend my nights with you till the sun come up, and we can do it all over again. Shawty, you my melody like violina. Dancing in my heart like a ballerina. You give me love, oh, and I wanna. Baby, I gon' make you be my sweetie, bana. Yo, bring back the sax. Yeah, shout out to EvaRed on this, Sunny on the sax. Big ups to Goethe-Institut for this one too. Yeah, I go by the name, call me Daggy. Shout out to RGB Picture, shout out to Barcode, shout out to Beanie Nukus right there. Yeah.